Now let's look at the foot on the Martelli Bella Prima stand-up machine. This is a stationary foot, which means it does not hop up and down during the use of the machine. But we have this function where you can lift this lever and raise and lower the foot assembly. That is only for introducing large fabrics underneath the foot or installing the ruler table. While you're using and sewing on your machine, you don't want to sew with the position up. It needs to be down. If you have thicker fabric and it's dragging or catching on your foot, there is a way that you can adjust this foot. You take the 3mm Allen T-handle out of your accessory kit. This black screw right here at your needle bar assembly, we're going to take that and loosen it a couple of turns. Don't take it out. Hold on to this silver assembly right here, and you can raise and lower the needle bar. What you want to do is bring it down till it touches the fabric and just above it. You don't want it dragging. You don't want it impeding the movement of the machine. Once you've found your height, you'll take your T-handle and snug it back down. Now before you go to run your machine, after you've adjusted your presser foot height, you need to check to make sure there's no interference and you have plenty of clearance on your needle bar. So we'll come up to our manual adjustment at the top of the neck of the machine here. We'll turn it counterclockwise for machine rotation, and you'll bring it all the way down and just make sure that it's not touching or striking anywhere on that presser foot. If you've got it higher, you run the risk of the needle bar touching the presser foot. So we'll run it through that rotation and we're good. Now one last tip on the foot. Sometimes when you're working down here and you're moving with this foot, changing feet, adjusting feet, if you lift this too much, well, now it's come off of this cam. Don't worry. It doesn't do anything here if it's off the cam. Lift on the foot assembly, put it back on the cam, and now you're back ready to run.